Hello, welcome to jQuery tutorial, chapter 10, jQuery Universal Selector, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about the jQuery Universal Selector. So the Universal Selector, what it does is it selects all the elements available in the content. So here comes the syntax. Within the jQuery function, you have to specify the asterisk key. So let me show you a demo of this. It's very simple. So let me go to my Visual Studio. So and this is an empty web project what I've taken, and I'm having my required files, that is jQuery. So what I'll do right now is let me take a div element. Within the div element, let me add a paragraph and I'll add the content as hello. And after that, what I'll do is I'll add a break line, and let me take span. To that, let me add the content as big. Let me take the break line again. Let me add h3 element. Let me tell it has hello world. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to identify all the elements present within this div element. So we have three elements here. One is paragraph, one is span, and the other one is h3 element. So what I need to do is I need to apply border to all the elements present in this div. So how can I identify this div? So let me add ID to this, and I'll name the ID as sample. So with the help of jQuery, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find out this div element by ID, and I'm going to tell like apply all the elements present within the div a border of 5 pixels solid orange. So how do I do that? It's very simple. Script. First, let me confirm whether my document is completely loaded or not with the help of document.ready function. Document.ready function. So here I'm going to tell like identify a div element which is having the ID, okay, which is having the ID as sample, and once you identify that, okay, find all the elements. I'm making use of find method. Find all the elements. How do I find it? With the help of okay, the selector is this asterisk key. Okay, so I'm telling like first identify a element with this ID. Once you identify, find, okay, find another element. Okay, I can pass your paragraph. So if I pass paragraph, what happens here? It's going to identify this paragraph only. But my intention is I want all the elements present inside the div. If you want to identify all the elements present inside the div, then I need to go with this asterisk key selector. In the sense, it is universal selector. It will select all the elements present inside the div. Once you do that, okay, apply the CSS method. Okay, telling like apply the border, or let me apply the color of the text. Okay, color of the text to red. Okay, now when I do this, now what I'll do, I'll push this page to the browser. I'll press Ctrl F5. Now what happens is within the div element, what all the things we have there, okay, we have paragraph, span, and h3. This text color will become red. So we have made use of this universal selector. Okay, now the page has been pushed to the browser, and here we get the output telling like hello, big, and world. All the three which are present inside the div element are having, okay, I repeat, are having the color red. So what we have done is we are telling to identify an element with this ID. Once you identify that element, I'm making use of find method. To the find method, I'm passing the selector as asterisk key. What asterisk key does is it identifies all the element present inside this element, inside this div element, all the things present here. Okay, it applies this CSS. So if I copy and paste, and if I add a break line, okay, let me paste it. So when I do Ctrl S, let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe all the elements again are in the color red. Okay, this is the specialty of this asterisk key selector. It's a universal selector. It selects all the elements available in the document. Okay, that's why we're getting the output as the text color red. Okay, and here is code for that. Okay, and that's for the day. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our websites. We're on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.